been offended. The name is Samuel Afari. Samuel is 7 years old and he's in Ghana. The project Samuel attends is New Ebucha Development Center. Samuel lives with his father and his mother. He is responsible for running errands. His father is sometimes employed and his mother is sometimes employed as a farmer. There are 5 children in the family. As part of Compassion's ministry, Samuel participates in church activities and Bible class. He is also in kindergarten where his performance is average. Soccer is his favorite activity. This child attends the Compassion project in an HIV/AIDS affected area. Samuel is anxiously waiting for a sponsor. Please act now and sponsor him today. Samuel would like to thank the person who sponsored him and wish God blessings for the person. Yeah, pardon me.